Hola! Welcome to iKitchen.academy. Today we're going to be cooking a Spanish feast with dishes from all over Spain. We're going to be cooking a gazpacho from the south of Spain. It's a really rich soup that's perfect for the summer months with tomatoes, cucumber, onion. It's just delicious with a bit of hint of vinegar. You're going to fall in love with it. We're going to be making a Spanish omelette, okay, from the central area of Spain. Everybody makes their own speciality. We're going to make one with potatoes, onions, and some free-range chicken eggs. Then we're going to be making pan tomàquet. Pan tomàquet is a very traditional dish in Catalonia, okay? We're going to use a very specific type of tomatoes that you use to rub your bread. Very good olive oil, and you'll see a simple dish that you're going to fall in love with. We're going to be making a paella. Okay, a seafood paella. Paellas are traditional all down the coastal areas of the Mediterranean. And we're going to round things off with a crema catalana. Crema catalana is a custard-based dessert, very traditional in the north. And you'll see it's crunchy on the top, creamy on the bottom. It's just a really great balance of flavors. And I hope you enjoy getting together with friends and family and making your Spanish dishes become as social as they are here in Spain. Enjoy!